Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we are going to design a toy rocket launcher. See, this is the toy rocket launcher. This is plunger and this is piston, and this forward is the rocket. So let's see how to do in Solidworks. Now here we will sketch the first part of launcher body, main body. So let's start. We will select right plane and here draw two circles and keep the diameter 0.5 inch and outer 0.65 inch. Okay. Now here select copy entity. Copy both the circles. Select start point. Drag it down. Select here. Now make one relation. Should be vertical. Okay. Just check the diameter at the it's perfect. Now let's assign the gap. .086 inch. Okay. Now let's extrude it. Up to 0.075 inch. Make reverse direction. Okay. Now select the back surface. Sketch normal. First draw a vertical and horizontal center line. Select circle and draw two circles. .125 inch inside and 0.3 inch outside. Okay. Now select line, select this. Connect with this. Now make relation tangent. Here also select this two lines and choose convert entities. Now select this line and this circle and make relation tangent. Okay. Choose mirror entity, select this and mirror about this line. Okay. Choose trim entity and trim this inside. Okay. Now assign the distance 1.1 inch. Okay. Now let's mirror it. Select this all geometry. Mirror about this line. Okay. Now see, it's already mirrored. Now choose copy entities and here select this all entity. Select start point, choose midpoint and select this midpoint. Now it is mirrored or copied, not mirrored, it is actually copied. This is very useful command, copy command. Now you can see it here. Just select extruded boss and select this outside body. 0.10 mm. Okay. Now again choose the same previous sketch, choose extruded boss, and here we will select this face, and extrude up to 2.75 inch. See, it's going to extrude from the surface. Okay. Now that's it. Now choose top plane, and we want to create a plane. .543, select flip direction. Okay. Now select this plane, sketch, normal. Now choose corner plane, just expand this plane, choose center line, make sure it is horizontal. Now select these three lines and select command symmetry. Okay. Now choose the dimension. .1 mm, 1 inch, and the length keep 2.007 inch. Okay. Now we will extrude it. First select up to surface, select this body, and direction 2 also select up to surface, select this body. Now see it here. Okay. Now we will select front plane, sketch, normal, hide this plane, choose center line. Cancel it. Again choose center line and draw one construction geometry and define this length 0.218 inch. Again draw a center line, make sure it is horizontal. Select circle and draw two circles here. Exit. Now select both the circle and make relation equal, and assign the diameter 0.125 inch, and the first one distance 0.5 inch, and the second distance 1.175 inch. Here this distance. Okay. Choose 3-point arc and connect from one end to this end. Again choose 3-point arc. Now select line, connect this end to this end, exit. First define this radius. .557. Okay, now let's extrude cut. Choose here mid plane. See. Okay. Now see, it is cut. Now we want to make some body here, so choose front plane, sketch, select normal. First select center line and start from this point. Vertical. Select this line and make relation horizontal. Delete this relation. Now it is horizontal. .668, 0.668. Okay. Now choose 3-point arc. Connect this point to this point. Exit. Now select this circle center point and this point and make relation merge point. Again choose merge. It's showing cannot merge. Or just delete this. Again choose 3-point arc and let go up and see it is merged. Okay. Now it is already merged here. Choose line. Draw one horizontal line. Now let's assign the length. 0.48 inch. And make sure this radius 0.0068 inch. Okay. Now select line and draw one geometry here. And connect with this line. Exit. Select these 3 lines and make relation collinear. These 2 lines make relation collinear and also equal, these 2 lines. Okay. If you want to make chamfer, you can do it. You can select all the sharp edges. Select OK. Okay. Now this is our geometry. Go to feature, select rib. See this selected already. Choose flip 1 inch. Degree you can keep 1 inch or it's up to you. Okay. Now see the rib is created. Now select right plane, and we want to create a plane 0.483 inch but reverse direction. So choose flip, OK. Now select this plane, sketch normal. First draw a center line. Now from this point draw two circles. .42 inch and the outside keep 0.52 inch. OK. Make little down. It's up to you. Better assign some dimension. 0.25 inch. OK. Select line. Connect from one end to another end, and the half circle we want to trim it. That's it. Now let's extrude it. Choose up to vertex and select this as a vertex line. OK. Now hide this plane. Now you can see the launcher body almost ready. Still some few features are balanced. Now here we will create one more plane. So choose our previous plane 2, select plane, and here select, keep the distance 0.125 inch but same reverse direction. OK. Now select this point, sketch normal, choose circle and draw one circle and should be coincide with this circle. OK. And here also select this circle and this outer lines, convert it. Select this outer line, convert it. See, it is converted. Now bottom we have to connect it from this line to this line, and here also connect it from this line to this line. Make sure it is connected. It is important relation, otherwise some error will show. Choose 3-point arc. Choose mirror. Draw one center line first. Now select this arc, choose mirror and select center line. OK. Now here we will create some relation, tangent. OK. Now this arc tangent with this arc. We also converted this geometry. Let's try to extrude. Select this face and this face. Here selected. We will see 0.05 inch. Keep mid plane. OK. Now see, it is rib created. Now select this plane, plane third, plane, and create a plane with 0.1 inch forward direction, Okay. Now hide this plane 3. Select this plane, sketch, normal. First draw a circle with same diameter. Exit. Select this corner line and connect with this. Make sure it is construction line. Just mirror this line about. Okay. Now select this line and this line and just convert it. Now this portion we have to extrude it. First we will assign some dimension from distance to here 0.55 inch. Okay, let's extrude it. It is coincide with here, then why it is not showing? Choose trim entities and trim this half circle. Convert. Now this is converted. Select this face and this face here, because these two face only we are going to extrude it. Choose mid plane. Select OK. Now see, the rib support is created here. Now select plane 3. First plane 4, hide it. Choose plane 3, mirror, and select this last extruded body because we want to mirror it. Okay. Now see, it is mirror. So this is the plain launcher body, plastic launcher. It is normal launcher body. Now let's make some color so it looks select OK. Now save as, go to desktop and create a folder launcher. This is part 1. Body. Save. Okay, let's move for the next part. Now the next part we will make toy rocket. So for that we have to choose top plane, sketch. First make inches, top plane. Draw a circle and keep the diameter 0.58 inch. Okay. And extrude it up to 2.5 inch, 2.55 inch. Okay. Select fillet. Keep radius 0.13 inch and select this top face, sketch. Again choose top plane, sketch, normal, and draw a circle here. And keep the diameter 0.22 inch. Okay, and let's extrude it. Extrude cut. We want to cut inside up to 1.35 inch. We want this much depth. Okay, now you can see the depth. Choose front plane, sketch, normal. Select a line and start from here up to this line and connect with this point. Exit. Now let's assign the distance. .01 inch. .43 inch, and the height also should be bigger, 0.87 inch. Okay, select radius 0.13 inch and select this corner. Okay, select this line, choose as a construction geometry, go to feature, select rib. See, rib is selected. Keep the thickness 0.08 inch. This direction. Okay. Choose flip material. Okay. Now see, the rib is created. Select circular pattern. Select this rib 2. Select this as a axis. Select 3 axis, 360 degree, 3 numbers of supporting pillars for rocket. Okay, this is the supporting wings. Now you can see inside there is a hole. Now let's assign some color. Okay. Now save this part 2. Toy rocket. Let's move for the next part. Now here we will sketch third part of toy rocket launcher. Make sure it is inches. Choose right plane, sketch, and draw a circle here. Inside dia 0.65 inch and 0.8 inch outer. Okay, and choose a center line. Select corner rectangle. Now just 0.0375 inch, 0.375 inch. Okay, now choose mirror entity. Select these 3 lines, select center line. Okay, now here choose extend entity, select this one and extend up to here, and here also extend up to down. Now choose trim entity, this inside line delete. OK. Select delete this inside line also. Actually this also, let's delete it. Actually we want to delete the cut this circle. Make sure it is vertical. Now let's extrude it. And extend up to 1.92 reverse direction. OK. .92 inch only. OK. Now select this face, and here we want to make some choose corner rectangle and select this corner. .0.075 0.375 inch. OK. Now select this inside circle, convert entities, or it's no need even. Let's select extruded boss, select this face only and choose here up to vertex. Select this vertex, C. OK. Now select this face, sketch normal, select corner rectangle and start from this corner. Now let's define the dimension. 0.045 inch and the length keep 0.331 inch. OK. Now let's extrude it, and here select feature, select this face only. We don't want full. If you select, it will skip this portion. Now extrude up to 0.21 inch reverse direction. OK. Now see, it is added here. Now just rotate it, select this face, sketch normal, and here we will sketch some circle. Choose this midpoint, draw 3 circles. OK, and let's assign the diameter 0.125 inch, .234 inch, and the bigger one 0.314 inch, and the distance from here to this point 0.345 inch. OK. Now we want to make copy this circle all, so here choose copy entities, select these three circles, and here start point, choose this origin point. Okay, now make sure some distance relation horizontal. Now assign the distance. .175". That's it. Now select extruded boss, select this face and this face, and extrude up to 0.1 inch. Okay. Now again choose the same sketch, extruded boss, and here select this circle. Now we want to make extrude cut, so through all. Okay. Now see, the hole is created. Now let's define sketch 0.02. Okay. Now we want to make it mirror. So just do one thing, select front plane and mirror, and select the body and select this full body. Okay. Now see, it is mirror. Now select again front plane, sketch, and here we want to make some cutout. So choose corner rectangle and start from origin point. Let's make the dimension 0.0375 inch and the length 0.463 inch. Okay, choose mirror, select these three lines, mirror about this line. Okay, select this line as a construction geometry, choose circle and draw one circle, delete it. Yes. Okay, now let extrude cut, choose mid plane, and we want to cut through all here. Okay, so this is the third part of our rocket launcher. Let's make some color to it. Okay, assign some blue color. Now save as part 3. Okay, let's move for the next part. Now the next part, here we will make plunger. Choose right plane, sketch, and draw a circle and keep the diameter 0.5 inch and let extrude it up to 0.12 inch. Okay, now select back surface, sketch normal. First draw a circle, select center rectangle. Now let's assign the dimension 0.3 inch the circle diameter, 0.3 inch this length, 0.1 inch. Okay, select circular pattern, select the center point. Here select this geometry rectangle, 4 numbers, select this line 4. OK. Choose trim entities, trim this unnecessary part of. OK, now this geometry is ready. Now let extrude it. Select this all faces and extrude up to 2.61 inch. OK. Select this face, sketch normal and draw a circle. Keep the diameter 0.3 inch and let extrude it up to 0.5. We will try it 0.53 inch. OK. Now select this face, sketch. We want to make a hole here, so draw a hole in bottom face and keep the diameter 0.13 inch and select extruded cut up to inside 0.44 inch. OK. Select front plane, sketch normal, and here also we want to make a hole. Choose the mid plane, midpoint. Keep the diameter 0.11 inch and the distance from one end 0.22 inch, and make sure the relation midpoint, delete. Exit. Now it is in center. Let's extrude it and choose mid plane. See, it going to cut through all. The hole is created. We will assign some color to this plunger so that it will easily identify. Red color. OK. Now save as part number 4, plunger. Let's move for the next part. Now here we will make the next part, part number 5. Choose front plane, sketch and select line and start from origin point. And exit. Now let's assign the dimension. .395 inch, 0.19 inch, 21 inch, and this height 13 inch, 0.11 inch, and select this length 1.37 inch. Okay, choose fillet, select 0.07 inch and we will select these two ends. Okay, now reduce 0.03, select these two ends. Okay, now choose offset entity 0.02 inch and select, and here choose reverse, select OK, select extend entity and select this line. Now see, it is extended here. Choose, oh sorry, select trim entity and trim this outer line. Okay, select line and connect. Okay, choose center line and draw one center line for revolution and make sure it is horizontal or vertical. Okay, so select revolve boss base. See, it is going to revolve. Select OK. Now this portion is revolved. Go to appearance. We will assign some solid color. Okay, choose pink color. Now save as part number 5. Let's make the part number 6. Choose top plane, sketch. Now choose top plane, sketch, because our dimensions in inches, and keep the diameter 0.79 inch. Okay, and let extrude it 0.24 inch. Okay, now select the back surface, sketch and draw a circle in back surface and keep the diameter 0.65 inch. Okay, and extrude cut 0.17 inch inside. See, now select fillet 0.06 outer face. Okay, now again choose fillet 0.03 inch, select bottom face. Okay, now select top face and here I want to create a hole. Keep the diameter 0.3 inch and select extruded cut and choose up to next. Okay, see, the hole is created. Save as yellow. Now save this part number 6. Now here let's make the next part, handle, part number 7. Choose top plane, sketch and draw a circle here. Draw one more circle. inside diameter 0.88 inch and the outer one 1.02 inch. That's it. Okay, and extrude it 0.5 inch and select here mid plane. Okay, keep fillet 0.04 mm and select this outer face. Okay, now select front plane and we want to create a plane, so select distance 0.875 inch. Okay, now select this plane, sketch, normal, and draw two circles here. Make sure the origin point is the center point. Outer diameter 0.5 inch and inner diameter 0.31 inch. Okay, and let's select extruded boss and select here up to surface and select this as a surface. You can see it here. Okay, that's it. Now select top plane. Do one thing, just hide this plane one. Now select top plane and we want to create one more plane, so choose plane and keep distance 0.25 inch. See here. Okay, now select this plane, sketch, normal, and draw two circles here. Select this center line to this line, exit, and select this line and make sure it is vertical. Okay, now assign the dimension. Outer diameter keep 0.35 and inside 0.25 inch and select this distance 0.18 inch. Okay, now let's extrude it and here choose up to surface. Select this as a surface body. Okay, now select this plane again and choose extruded cut. Select here and select only inside line. See, I selected inside circle, so it will cut, not take it little up. See, only not through all, only this one portion, or you can select up to next. See, okay, now hide this plane. Now you can see. So this is save as a handle. We will do one thing, we will assign some color to it. Select red color. Now save as part number 7, handle. Save. Now let's start the assembly of toy rocket plunger, rocket launcher. Now here let's start the assembly of launcher. Choose new assembly. We will browse our first body 1. First select part 1, then part 2 we will select only part 1 and part number 5. Open. Now just change the background color. Okay. Rotate this part number 5. Okay. Choose met. Select this inside hole and this pipe. Concentric relation. Okay. Select this face and this face. Okay. Now press Ctrl key and select this part and drag it here and copy. Select inside hole, met, this pipe, concentric relation. Select this back surface of and this wall, coincident. Okay. Now insert the next component, rocket, toy rocket. Okay. Choose met. Select this face and this face. Make reverse concentric relation. Select back surface of rocket and select this face. Okay. Now just press Ctrl key and select this part and drag and copy. Again make the same relation, met, coincident. Okay. The back surface and this face, coincident. Now see the front is ready. Rocket we fix with body. Now the next component we will try plunger. Just press Ctrl key, or let's select part 3. Okay. Select this hole, met. Just clear, cancel it. Just drag it out. Choose met. Select this inside face and this outside face, coincident relation. Okay. Now here also select this face, coincident relation. Okay, so this is fixed in center. Now let's insert the next part, plunger plus part number 6, 7. Open. Okay. Now we will make one relation with this. Choose met. Select this inside face. Clear. This select this face. Select this face and this face. Reverse direction. Okay. I think delete this relation. Select this inside face and this face. and make relation concentric. Okay, select the inside face and this side face. Okay, now this is better. Now select this face and this face, reverse direction, coincident relation, sorry, concentric. Okay, just drag it out. Now here select this outer face of this and this inside face. Okay, just fix this body and rotate this. Float. Now just press copy, control, press again control and copy, the same again copy and okay. Now let assemble this first. Choose this inside face, met this face and relation concentric. Okay, select this outer face and this inside face. Clear this inside face and this side face. Okay, now select this face and this face, concentric relation, drag it out, this side and this face, coincident. Okay, now these relations are created. Now select this outer face, outer circle and this circle. Okay, see it is fixed here, and here also select this inside outer edge and this edge also, coincident relation, not concentric. Now see our rocket launchers already almost ready. Now here we will just rotate this, keep like this. So okay, so this is the toy rocket plunger, rocket launcher. These are the rocket. You just press this, even you can press inside this one. We have to make some relation. Okay, this relation just do one thing, suppress. Now you can see it will go inside. See, it's going inside. So once you push from here, the rocket will launch. So this is the rocket launcher. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe our channel and our videos for. Now just save it as a assembly. Thanks for watching.